Okay, so today we're going to learn on chapter 10, transport in humans and animals. Subtopics under this would be, you guys can have a look at your book text, page 166. Okay, we have around, I think, 6 to 7 subtopics, okay, 6 to 7. Okay, so we will look into the introduction here only, introduction 0.11, the necessity of transport system in complex multicellular organisms, and 10.1.2, and the second one to identify substances that are transported. Yang this part saya skip dahulu. Okay, skip it to some other day lah. Okay, after that, hari ini juga, for this week, we're going to cover the circulatory systems of human. Hanya bahagian blood. Okay, we only cover bahagian blood. Okay, so I'm going to skip 10.1, but I will briefly discuss on the introductions of the circulatory systems. Why is it very important to have transport system? Okay, but before that, let's look sebagai introduction lah. So what is actually transport system? Okay, I want you guys to watch this video lah. Okay, watch this video first. Intro. Let me have a look. Maybe this one. Okay.
Inside your bones. New cells are made every second. Your bone marrow makes more than 100 million new blood cells every minute. The color of blood comes from its red blood cells, which contains iron-bearing red pigment hemoglobin. The red blood cells are workers. They carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. Humans can live for weeks without food and for days without water, but will die in a few minutes if deprived of oxygen, necessary for cell metabolism. Every cell in your body needs oxygen to live. Brain cells, bone cells.
Okay, so blood is very important in our body. Okay, you can see that the blood can carry oxygen to the whole body parts. Then this is the blood in the blood vessels. We have red blood cells. Then we have inside the blood. We do have white blood cells, ataupun nama lain is leukocytes. And then what else? We have platelets. Okay. Then we have plasma. And your blood also contains water and other components. Okay. Make sure that you watch the video given to you before before you proceed to the to our teaching video. Okay, and then this one showing you gambar blood, gambar heart that carrying your blood, where the heart pumps blood. Okay, it will definitely watch it. So here you can see that the blood being pumped out by your heart. Okay, jantung akan membantu mengepam. Mengepam maksudnya memaksa darah itu bergerak. Okay, macam pump air to make sure that the water is moving. So same goes to your heart. That very important to make sure that the blood in our body circulates or moves. Okay. Transport system. Okay, tajuk utama kita adalah transport system, sistem pengangkutan, if we translate it in bahasa. Okay, bermaksud sistem pengangkutan. Okay, sistem pengangkutan. Okay. Kalau kita tengok what do you call it, macam di jalan raya, so we have road, and then we have car, and then we are moving from destination A towards destination B. So this whole thing, we call it as transport system dekat jalan, okay? Transport system in human community. Okay, kalau kita talking about human body, okay, we're talking about human body, we also have a transport system. Transport system kita ada dua jenis. One is called circulatory system. Another one is called lymphatic system. So our topic, our chapter 10, only discussing on the transport system, which are circulatory system and lymphatic system. Okay, I want you guys to imagine circulatory system ni, saya letak CS, and lymphatic system ni, seperti transport system yang ada dekat muka bumi ni, which we have transport system, land transport system, water transport system, air, ada lagi kah? That's all lah kan? The water, land, air, itu saja pun. Okay, so this one in human, we also have different types of transport system, circulatory system and lymphatic system. Both of them carry different role, mempunyai peranan masing-masing. Okay, this one ada tujuan dia, lymphatic system pun ada tujuan dia. They will not carry the same purposes. Adalah mungkin memang ada similarities, but they have their own importance role. Okay, that one is for human transport system. In our body. So kalau kita tengok transport system dekat muka bumi ni, you can see that we have road, kita ada jalan raya lah, and then kereta. Okay, in human body, okay, dalam human body, kita punya jalan raya is called blood system, blood vessel. Okay, and kita punya kereta adalah red blood cell. Saya tunjuk dalam video tadi ya, red blood cell. From destination A, contohnya from your lung to the whole body. Okay, destination A sehingga destination B, the whole body. Apa benda that you want to carry? Now the question is, what are the things that you want to carry? Saya tukar warna. Okay. Kalau ini kereta ni kita bawa manusia, kita bawa tumbuhan, kita bawa kucing, okay? So red blood cell, what are the things that you want to carry? You want to carry oxygen, you want to carry nutrients, food, vitamins, water, and so on. Okay, itulah benda-benda yang dibawa. Tak semestinya we're talking about red blood cell. Ada benda, banyak lagi benda. Contohnya our blood itself. Also macam kereta, they are carrying something, okay? Carrying, membawa bahan-bahan yang diperlukan oleh badan. Tapi bukan kita bawa benda bagus sahaja. Your blood also, okay, kita punya darah juga responsible to carry waste product. Bukan bawa benda-benda bagus saja. They also carry waste product. They also carry good things, macam nutrients. Okay, so your blood carry both of these, nutrients and also waste. Okay, that's the introduction on transport system. Apa yang kita nak belajar? Okay, benda sistem pengangkutan dalam badan kita. Okay, the necessity for circulatory system in complex multicellular organism. Transport system is a very important system that helps us to transport oxygen, nutrient continuously, berterusan pergi ke sel. Ingat tadi yang daripada bahagian A sampai bahagian B. Eliminate waste. Juga membawa sampah-sampah syarat dalam badan kita. Eliminate waste products out from cell, out, keluar daripada sel dan keluar daripada badan. Contohnya carbon dioxide, and then we have uric acid. Kita belajar kan uric acid ni adalah waste product daripada amino acid. Okay, kalau nucleic acid. Okay, nucleic acid. Kalau protein, waste product dia adalah urea. Okay, ni adalah waste product that you want to take out from your cell and also your body. Certain organisms require complex transport system and do not, and some don't. For example, amoeba. Amoeba tidak memerlukan sistem yang sangat kompleks. Manusia, yes. Kalau manusia, they need lung, they need heart, they need blood. Banyaklah, sistem-sistem yang terlibat. But in amoeba tak perlu pun. They do not need lung, they do not need blood. To amoeba. So now we look at the total surface area to volume ratio. Okay, so why is this? Okay, this one adalah berkaitan dengan kita sebagai manusia yang mempunyai kompleks transport system. Okay, semakin kompleks, semakin besar organisme tersebut, so they need better transport system. Okay, let's look at this. Total surface area per volume. This one dijelas sebagai ratio total surface area per volume. Amoeba, paramecium adalah sejenis unisel. Okay, bila haiwan yang ataupun organisme yang satu sel sahaja. Okay, one cell. And they have large ratio of total surface area per volume. Maksudnya dia punya total surface area sangat besar kalau compare kepada volume. Volume adalah kecil. Okay, total surface area dia lebih besar. So meaning that oxygen mudah untuk meresap masuk, easy diffusion, because the cell is not far from the external environment. Okay, now I try to explain based on this experiment ataupun this. Can I just keep it for a while? Kenapa message ni? This experiment. You guys, saya dah letak dalam Google Classroom, you guys can just watch it. Okay, or you can just pause this video and watch the YouTube video. Okay, surface area to volume ratio. Okay, I want you guys to imagine these tiga contoh substances yang mempunyai TSA ataupun total surface area yang berbeza dan juga volume yang berbeza. Okay, so ni kita mempunyai TSA dia. We're going to measure the total surface area. Kita akan measure lah total surface area si kecil ni, cube kecil, agak-agak kecil, agak-agak pink color. And then we have this the medium one, and then we have the bigger one. Okay, so bila kita masukkan dalam data, so you will get total surface area cube kecil tadi is around 6. Cube yang sederhana is 24 and cube yang nombor 3 adalah 54 yang paling besar tadi. And the volume here is 1, volume ni yang kecil 1, ni 8, ni 27. So bila kita bahagikan total surface area bahagi the volume, you will get yang cube kecil tu 6, cube paling besar tadi adalah 2. The ratio, the ratio. So you can see that semakin besar dia punya ratio, semakin mudah oksigen untuk masuk ataupun sistem pengangkutan menjadi lebih mudah. Sistem pengangkutan menjadi lebih mudah. Kalau the ratio adalah kecil, bila dia kecil, sistem pengangkutan menjadi lebih kompleks. Okay, disebabkan sel terlalu jauh daripada badan. Okay, now look at here. Okay, bila kita masukkan this cube ni di dalam distilled water, you will expect the water masuk dalam cube. Okay, water will diffuse into the cube. So kita masukkan the cube inside the beaker. Okay, lepas masuk dalam beaker, just leave it for a while, and you will see that water dengan mudahnya masuk di dalam cube paling kecil. So maksudnya water ni untuk reach to the center of the cube. Bayangkan di tengah-tengah cube tersebut adalah sel. So sel dia, jarak sel dengan oksigen adalah sangat-sangat very small, the gap, the distance. So it's easy for the water ataupun the oxygen to get into the cell sebab dekat. Kalau you tengok cube yang besar, let's look at the cube yang ni, cube sederhana tadi kan, you can see that pergerakan air ke arah sel yang di tengah-tengah ni will take time. And you need maybe better transport system. And here you can see that apalagi tengok cube yang paling besar, memang agak lama for the water ataupun oxygen to reach to the center of the cell. That is why, ni adalah kita ni, tube yang besar ni. That is why we cannot rely on diffusion. Kita tidak boleh bergantung kepada proses serapan, diffusion, sebab kita akan mati. Macam kita bernafas, macam oksigen masuk dalam badan hari ini, tahun depan baru sampai ke seluruh badan. Because it takes time. Tapi untuk haiwan bernama amoeba, binatang yang kecil, so they will get immediate oxygen, akan mendapat supply oxygen dengan lebih mudah sebab dia punya tadi ratio itu besar. So when you look at this, tadi tertulis here, ratio yang besar akan memudahkan pergerakan oksigen, water and so on. Sebab badan dia kecil, easy diffusion and mudah, okay, oksigen untuk sampai di tengah-tengah sel. Cell is not far from external environment. So amoeba tidak memerlukan paru-paru, tidak memerlukan jantung and so on. But as human, mammals that multi-cell, you can imagine lokasi sel tersebut adalah sangat-sangat jauh compared to the source of oxygen. So since the volume is large, they need special system for transporting material. We need better system. We do not rely diffusion semata-mata. Okay, so diffusion alone cannot transport all S. Okay, memandangkan TSA is small but volume dia besar. Cells is very far from external environment. Therefore, sebagai manusia, okay, manusia buat manusia, we need these two, circulatory system and lymphatic system. So dalam badan kita memerlukan these two transport system. Okay, you guys can have a look at the buku teks. Okay, buku teks ada gambar ni. Ini menunjukkan gambar amoeba. Okay, oksigen nak masuk dalam sel tu sangat mudah sebab semua kawasan badan amoeba ni able to absorb oxygen. Can you imagine? Besar total surface area. And volume dia adalah kecil. So bila volume kecil, ratio dia adalah kecil, memudahkan oksigen untuk masuk. But if you compare to kulit, this is your skin. Untuk sampai dekat sel dekat bawah ni, the oxygen have to go through lots of cell. Sini pun ada sel, sini pun ada sel, sini pun ada sel. So sangat-sangat banyak sel. So it takes time for the oxygen to reach the bottom, the cell yang berada dekat bottom part. Okay, so it takes time. Mungkin tahun depan baru sampai. Okay, so therefore human we need special transport system, which ada dua tadi, circulatory system dan lymphatic system. Okay, so today yang part ni saya skip dulu. If you guys look at the buku teks, saya skip dulu 0.1. Kita terus pergi ke 10.2 circulatory systems of human. Okay, dalam nota atau orang, make sure that you guys buat nota sendiri. You need to create macam tu lah. Okay, transport system terbahagi kepada dua, circulatory system and lymphatic system. So lepas ya, di bawah kita discuss lymphatic for today. We only discuss the circulatory system. So di bawah circulatory system, opolah lagi another 3 macam tulisan kolom macam tu lah. Okay. So under circulatory system kita akan belajar blood vessel, blood and heart. So these are called the main component. Komponen utama di dalam circulatory system. Maksud komponen utama. Okay, apakah komponen utama pengangkutan darat? Kereta pergi jalan raya, and kereta jalan raya benda tu lah komponen utama, benda tu lah paling penting kalau kita nak bergerak kan, macam ni lah. So komponen utama dalam circulatory system, we need blood vessel, we need the blood, and we need the heart. Okay, so today kita belajar blood je. Today kita belajar blood, minggu depan kita belajar ikut lagi. Okay, so I stop dulu. Kita pergi supaya mudah kita upload video tu.